If you're watching this right now, it's because God sent this to you for a very specific reason. So you need to trust that this message is not a coincidence. It was intended to find you at this time. This is a timeless reading. So regardless of when this came out or when you're seeing this, you're finding it at the perfect time. And this is to tell you that you are in what's called the space between. You are in that phase between where you are now and where you are going, from who you were to who you're becoming. So if things feel sticky or you feel a lot of resistance and you feel tempted to go back to what's familiar, what's comfortable, this is the sign to tell you to keep going, because this is where breakthroughs happen. This is where you get into untapped potential. This is the space where you dig down deep and you skyrocket from here. So if you're willing to work through this resistance, it's going to lead you to the next breakthrough. And it is time. You have been stuck in old patterns long enough and you are tired of it. You're no longer settling. You're no longer putting up with anything. You deserve a life that is fulfilling and joyful and enjoyable. And now you are going after it. Anything that told you that you weren't worthy or deserving of it, you now know is a lie. That those things were put into your head to make other people feel better about their dismal life. But that does not apply to you anymore, and you are leaving the past in the past. You are only looking forward. So keep going, because you can't go back to the point of no return. There is nothing left for you there. And you can only go forward, even if it seems like you're stuck in old patterns, because time is relentless. So you might as well enjoy the process, enjoy the ride, and leave everything behind that no longer serves you. Everything has served a purpose in terms of getting you here, in terms of shaping you and who it has made you into. That is now your strength, your resolve, your resilience, your determination. It is what has made you so strong and so innovative and resourceful. So the more you dig down deep and the more you utilize these strengths, the faster this breakthrough is going to happen. And if this resonates or if this is helpful, please hit that like button and let me know what your insights are. If this shift is happening and you feel it, I want you to know that this is the time to keep going, to dig down deep and really turn this into your next breakthrough. This is your story, your coming of age story. So take it for what it is, honor what this message is trying to tell you, and keep pushing through, because your breakthrough is here, my friend. Hit that like button, hit that subscribe button. If you don't follow me by now, you must, because I'm here to just help you on your journey and to encourage you to live your best life. So I hope that you'll join me and join our beautiful community full of inspiring people who are sharing their testimonies every day. And I hope that you're one of them. I love you so much. But remember, God loves you more, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.